more time. Go! Gawin mo yung tinuro mo kay Ate Colette.
Ayoko. Gawin ko lang yung straight. Okay. Pero hindi kayo straight, no? Okay, seryoso na. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Make some noise!
Sabi sobrang buo! Make some noise!
Okay na ha? Masaya na tayo. So, kasi we ask you guys to make some noise kasi every time we hear your cheers, grabe talaga na-remind kami ng the signal talaga was received loud and clear. And it's not just here in the Philippines, but all around the world, right, She?
Yes, thank you for believing in us, Blooms, growing with us, and being part of this journey. Siyempre, we're so grateful for all of you. Grateful nandyan kayo na lagi namin katabi.